Hello beautiful souls. Welcome you all to this video. I'm Rambo from Team Tweaks Hub. So, today's video is all about how to extract a voter list from the Election Commission of Nepal's website. As you can see, if you follow the steps shown here, you will see a message that says you must enable JavaScript to run this app. To resolve this issue, follow the link I have added to the description below. So without further ado, let's get started. So please gentlemen, follow the steps carefully. Don't worry, this link is in the description or pinned in the comments section below. Copy and paste here and hit the enter button. Then select the province, district, a municipality, then ward that you want to take out the list of voters, and polling station, and click on the submit button. There is no download button. You cannot copy these details directly. So, to extract these details, you have to turn off or disable JavaScript on this browser. To do so, click on three dots. Click on Settings. Furthermore, go to Security and Privacy, then Site Settings. Scroll down. Click on JavaScript. Likewise, click on Don't allow sites to use JavaScript. If you found any website like this, simply remove them all. And refresh the page and click on Continue. Wait a while. It's loading all the list of voters. Finally, we can copy it. Select all by pressing Ctrl+A simultaneously. Also, you can select from the start and scroll down by holding the Shift button and clicking at the end. Then, copy it wherever you want. Finally, we can copy it. After copying it, you have to turn on JavaScript to function the browser properly. Wait a while. So, I'm pasting it on the spreadsheet just for demonstration purposes. In such a way, you can take out the name list of voters from your ward. I hope this video was helpful. Please don't forget to hit that like and that red subscribe button for upcoming tutorials. Bye guys. I will be back with another helpful video. Until then, keep shining and keep exploring.